What is important at this time is that, as I have been repeatedly saying, the most important thing is that the Ukraine and Russian authorities should sit down together and engage in direct and constructive dialogue. This is what I have advised President Putin, and also I have also advised the acting president today and yesterday.
Bond's visit to Ukraine followed a meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin in Moscow on Thursday. He described the situation as already very tense and very volatile. He called on all parties to refrain from any provocative actions that could further exacerbate the crisis. Turchynov said Ukraine was willing to hold talks, but it insisted that the full withdrawal of Russian troops from the Ukrainian territory should come before any negotiation.